Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I have Nubia Pad 3D and I want to show you how to clean up cache and data on this device. Firstly, open Settings application. In it we look for our apps selection, which is right there. And now we tap on See All Apps, and there we have list of our all application. Now we must find application which we want to clear. In my case it will be maybe Google Play Store. We tap on it and there storage and cache. To clear only cache we press clear cache and we clear it, but to clear all storage we must tap on clear storage and confirm all by OK, and we clear all storage. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!